Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can convert YouTube video into text. So if you want to convert YouTube video into text, so watch this video from start to end point, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So first of all, you have to select video which you want to convert into text. So I want to convert this video, so I will open this video. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now you have to scroll down and you have to click on more button. Here you can see more, you have to click here. After that, you will see show transcript, you have to click here, and after that you will see this type of interface. You can see video transcript here, just like here everyone, here you can see all video transcript. Okay, so now you have to click on these three dots and you have to click on toggle timestamps. Okay, after that you will see this type of interface. Now you can copy this video script by selecting. Okay, so I will copy this video script. Now you have to right click and you have to click on copy button. So by using this method, you can convert YouTube video into text. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video.